Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'll review Redmi Note 9 Pro, and I have bought it 2 weeks back and I have been using since then. So this device is really amazing guys. It comes with Snapdragon 720G. Talking about the design, as you can see, it has glossy finish in the back side and it looks really cool. You can see the camera cutting, the 4 cameras are there, and on the back side you get to see the fingerprint smudges, so it is not fingerprint proof, so you have to keep cleaning it regularly, and if you're using any covers then it is good. So you get the Gorilla Glass protection back and front also, and the fingerprint scanner is mounted in the sideways direction. It is side mounted here, so as you can see the fingerprint is really quick guys. It opens really fast and the animations and everything is quite good. The optimization is good. If the RAM management is fine, as you can see here, and the volume rockers are just above the power button itself. You get 2+1 SIM card tray, that is you get 2 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card slot. So this is a great thing that has been provided in this device. Also you get to see the IR blaster here. So overall the phone comes with P2I coating at the back side, and at this price I really like the design of this phone. So as you can see the glossy finish and everything, it's really cool guys. Talking about the display, it comes with 6.67 inch full HD plus display. It is a LCD panel guys. So you get the punch hole notch here, punch hole camera, you can see the notch here. So you get adapted with this thing, and in the front you also get to see the Gorilla Glass 5 protection, which is really good. The colors and the viewing angles are amazing. You get the perfect color vibrance if you are watching videos or playing games. Talking about the performance, as I said, it comes with Snapdragon 720G chipset with 8nm octa-core processor, so it is best I think at this price range, and also the gaming experience you will find really great. You won't face any lag or stutters, so yeah, this is a great thing. The variant I bought is 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. So, and it is running on the latest Android 10 but MIUI 11, so you will get to see the MIUI 12 update pretty soon. And also out of the box I got around 107GB available out of 128GB total. The device comes with battery capacity 5020 mAh, and up to normal usage you can get 2 to 2.5 days of backup. And talking about the audio quality is really good. You will not face any issues regarding it, whether you are using a earphone or you're listening through the speakers. So you get the single firing speaker here in the bottom, and you get the microphone and the Type-C charger port, and you get the earphone jack. The quality is crisp and really fine. So talking about the camera, as you can see, you get the 4 cameras rear back camera setup. The primary camera is 48 megapixel, and you get the ultra wide with 8 megapixel, and macro with 5 megapixel, and also depth sensor 2 megapixel. You can click macro shots, portrait, night mode, and much more. As you can see here, the interface, you can do slow-mo video, short video, and you get the 48 megapixel mode. So yeah, that's really good. So the optimization is great in this camera setup, and you get the front camera of 16 megapixels. Overall usage, I can suggest this is a pretty good device and I have not faced any issues. And out of the box you get the about phone. You can see it runs, it is running on MIUI version 11, and it is running on the security patch June. So yeah, that is not latest. Hopefully it will get the latest security patch really soon. And other than that, everything is working fine. You get the dark mode, you get the gestures control, and the face lock also you get. So yeah, the thing is really good. You get that game turbo. You can use the quick reply, so you can reply it directly from the notification itself, and you can get the second space, so you can use it. Yeah, the base variant starts at 13,999, and at this price point the phone is great with all the features that are given here. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.